everyone, and welcome to Jack and Cat Adventures. Today we're going to be making Mahi, and this is for the detox diet. So I have my fresh Mahi right here. I rinsed it, dried it, and I cut it in half. It was a pretty big piece. And I'm just going to rub it with some organic olive oil. This is a really easy but delicious dinner if you're in a hurry. Okay, and then we're going to put some salt and pepper on, or whatever seasonings you like. And then I'm just going to flip it over and put it onto a piece of foil and do the other side. Okay. Just do this so I can wash my hands then, and there we go. Just a little bit of oil. Okay, and you do want to use the organic olive oil. It's a good oil for you, which they say in the diet, so you can actually eat as much of it as you want. So now I'm just going to salt and pepper this side. And then all I do is cut a piece of lemon, organic lemon. I cut it in half like that, and I just place it on top. This gives it really good citrusy flavor. Just taking the seed out of this one. Okay. And then all I do is wrap it up. I have my oven preheating to 400 degrees. I also have here some organic sweet potatoes, which you're allowed on the diet through the Apple Whole diet. I just rinsed them and poked them, and I'm just putting them in the oven. This will go in a 400 degree oven. The fish will take between 25 and 30 minutes, and the potatoes will probably take about an hour. We'll have to keep poking them to test. So this will go in the oven for 30 minutes for the fish. Alright, so here's our baked sweet potato, the mahi, and fresh tomatoes with salt and pepper. Now on my potato, I am going to just do some ghee. Now, when you're on the detox diet, you have to use ghee or olive oil. Don't use butter. And this is the one that I found that I really like. It's called Carrington Organic Ghee Clarified Butter, and I got that from Walmart. They had another one that I ordered today that has, what does it have in it?
Pink Himalayan salt.
Pink Himalayan salt. They didn't have just the plain. So when you get this, just stir it really good because it does separate. And you just leave it out on your counter. It doesn't have to be refrigerated. And I'm just going to put some on my potato like you would butter. This is just really rich butter. It tastes like really rich butter.
Clarified butter.
Clarified butter. Okay? So please like, share, comment, and subscribe. And remember, you do you.